squash right here. Want to show it to them?
Yeah.
Gardening for the food and the movement. Estelle Horton is picking beans, squash, and zucchini in one of 5 community gardens in Lauderdale County, all grown using funds from the Centers for Disease Control. The produce here and the physical effort to cultivate it both lead to healthier living, the goal of this grant coordinated by UT and TSU Extension.
Yes, because gardening is exercise. You're getting out and moving. You're getting outside and moving around and bending and all the different forms of exercise you can have, but you're also growing your own food.
This program to get people exercising is part of the C3 grant for UT Extension, Community Coalition for Change. Lauderdale was one of 4 original counties here. Haywood, Humphreys, and Lake are the others. The 4-year campaign that followed was known as Be More, Live More. It included the creation of these gardens, growing 3,600 pounds of beautiful and healthy produce distributed to supplemental food programs in the county. The grant also included the installation of outdoor exercise equipment.
Yes, the outdoor exercise equipment has been a wonderful thing because it's free, open to the public, anybody can use it. It's at all the public parks.
Lauderdale County was also able to use existing resources, including the 25-acre lake at Fort Pillow State Park. Grant funds were used to purchase canoes and kayaks and set up a measured course to follow with watercraft.
It just gives everybody another opportunity to get outdoors, enjoy the outdoors, have more of a wide variety of outdoor recreation, activities to do while they're there.
Lauderdale first qualified for the grant because of its high obesity rate, over 40%. But this program has been effective and the numbers are improving.
We installed several pieces of adult exercise equipment, and through that, our numbers and obesity rates have dropped drastically. We no longer qualified for the grant. Our numbers and obesity rate dropped so much.
The C3 grant changed lives, and it's not a stretch to believe it may have also saved lives. When you say the word community, you're talking about a place, but also people. Now with a new outlook about good health, it's a trend that's growing well here. In Ripley, Charles Denny for Jackson 24/7.